I'm just sitting in my American apartment using stock footage pretending I'm in Japan. One week after the Nagasaki bombing, the city sustained its 8th air raid in 6 months, known as the bombing of Osaka. Over 3,000 aircraft razed the city. Out of the rubble came this. Osaka is the third most populous city in Japan with just over 3 million people. It's headquarters for several large Japanese firms such as Sanyo, Sharp, and Panasonic. It's also home to the Osaka Securities Exchange, which is the largest funding source for Japanese startup companies. Through reparations, the American taxpayers finance most of the domestic reconstruction of the city and the country. That seed money provided the footing for Osaka's thriving economy today. Like this building, this is an iconic landmark that symbolizes the Great Osaka period. Built in 1918 and destroyed in World War II air raids, it was rebuilt to its original Renaissance Revival architecture style. You fix what you break. That's why reparations matter. It was 40 acres and a mule, right? Osaka Castle is about a 45-minute walk from the Public Works building. I've been there before, so I'm not going to endure the 2-hour wait for the ticket inside. Instead, I'm going to get a new view of the castle today. This rooftop restaurant has outdoor barbecue and panoramic views of Osaka. But we're all here for this. This is why I do limited A-roll. Who wants to see a retired 50-year-old man, as opposed to the majestic and timeless beauty that is Japan? I wouldn't want to see me. So yeah, limited A-roll. I would hope the footage is enough to enjoy. As with most old men, if we have something to say, we'll let you know. By the way, that beef skewer was country good. Somebody put a foot in that.